What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. In today's video, guys, we do have an update on ENS, Ethereum name service, which has pumped up over 35% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at $17.58. So we're going to be looking at what is next for the crypto. As you guys can see, about 24 hours ago it was trading at just below $13 and has taken a major pump. So how long is the pump likely to last? Is it going to head up to $20 anytime soon? And mainly focusing on, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also, of course, looking at its prediction in 2024, how high it can go, how low it can go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ENS, which is here in purple at $11.88. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from ENS over the next 12 to 14 hours. Essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes, I'm expecting it to head up to just below $19 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason for this is it is likely to hit red candles over the coming hours, as it's taken quite a major pump, so it is likely to take a little bit of a dip in between. So considering the dips and the peaks, I'm expecting a very minimal increase up to just below $19 is what I'm expecting at the moment from ENS over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, it is looking a little bit too steep, guys, meaning it is not realistic. Reason is looking so steep that both the blue and the orange line here, the MACD indicators, is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is not the case. So essentially over the coming week, guys, by mid next week, yes, I'm expecting Ethereum name service to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I'm expecting red days in between as well before it starts to gain value. So over the next couple of days, I'm expecting ENS to take a little bit of a dip down to about $15 to $16 before it slowly starts to gain value above $20 by mid next week is what my expectations are. So do expect quite of a wave. It's going to drop down in value and then peak back up by towards the end of this week. Early next week it should hit green candles heading over $20 is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. So once again, this is not realistic, but yes, guys, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from ENS over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late February and early March, I'm expecting ENS to be heading to around $30 in value is what I'm expecting it to be trading at, meaning it does have the potential to hit a new all-time high by the end of this quarter. And by mid next year, I'm expecting it to head above $30, but let's focus on the new all-time high at the moment. So yes, it is likely to drop down a little bit, go for a price correction, but over the next couple of weeks and months, I'm expecting it to overall increase in value at a slow and steady pace, heading to around $30 by the end of March is what I'm expecting, and potentially heading up to about $40 to $50 by mid-year is what I'm expecting. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run, anything that can have a major impact on the value of ENS, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone without any resistance, which is not good. That is why I'm expecting it to drop down to about $14 to $15 over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to break out from the green zone here into the dark green zone. But before it breaks out, it needs to resist for a couple of days and then break out. But the fact that it's broken out today without any resistance means that it is more than likely going to drop back down into the green zone here over the coming days, and then peak back out into the dark green zone over the coming days, and potentially head into the blue zone as well over the next into the next week or two as well. So this is my take and my prediction on ENS, guys. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 200%, making it $316 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase over the last 24 hours, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, or the top gainer even according to Binance, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now and a lot of hype around it, and a lot more people are buying, selling the crypto, a lot more traders, which is also helping the value of ENS pump up as well, as we can clearly see. So yeah, as mentioned in the thumbnail, yes, I'm expecting it to hit $100 by the end of the year, guys, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting ENS to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is